Thank you for subscribing and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I have for you Makartt's Nail Extension Gel Kit. This is kit P33. It is their Nude Polygel collection. Some very beautiful colors in this collection. And on the back of the box, you will see here that it tells everything that's in it. This kit is available on their Amazon store. The links will be down in the description box below. It sells for $49.99. And of course, if you have Prime, the shipping is free. And at the bottom of the box, it lists all of their social media sites. And now it's time to open up this box and see what's inside. Makartt always has very nice packaging. There is an instruction booklet, so be sure to take a look through that, read the information. They included 60 dual forms in their kit. These are different from the usual dual forms that they have in their kits. These run small. Now, I don't use dual forms. The only time I ever use dual forms is on my toes. But yeah, these seem like they're a little bit smaller. They do have less of a curve than the other forms that they usually have in their kits. The other forms are more like the YS dual forms. This kit includes 50 paper forms. There is a 100/180 grit nail file. And of course, your standard polygel brush that has the spatula on one end and the brush on the other. And this, of course, says Makartt on it. Now, this is something new to their kits. At least it's new to me. I have never seen slip solution included in their kits, but they are now including that in there for you. It is a 50 ml bottle, and right now I'm going to do the smell test for you. And it smells like isopropyl alcohol with a scent to it. And now we have the base coat and the top coat. These are 8 ml bottles, and the top coat is shiny. It's one of the shiniest top coats I've used. And now we are on to the polygels. They give you 6 tubes of polygel, and they are 30 ml tubes. And I really appreciate it when companies make these kits and they include a 30 ml tube instead of like a 15 ml tube. I mean, come on. I mean, how many nail sets are you going to get out of a 15 ml tube? Huh. That's just a bottle of gel polish, basically. You're not going to get very many sets out of 15 ml tubes. So I really appreciate the large tubes in a kit. I've already swatched these for you. This is 331 and it has a more pink tone to it. And 332, and that has more peachy tones to it. This is 333, and this is a tan. It is like a tan brown. It's a new color. I've never seen it out before, and I really love this color. Very pretty. 334, and that just looks more like a regular nude color. 335 is more like a rosy nude, and it's really hard to get these colors to look just the way I want them to with the lighting here, but at the end of the video you'll be able to see them a little bit better. And then lastly we have 336, and this is a nice kind of like a medium brown, and I am absolutely in love with this color too. And this is the color that I do a set of toenails for you in an upcoming video. That video will be up after this one using Makartt's number 336 here. So be on the lookout for that video coming right up. Now here are my two favorite colors, 336 and 333. I'm going to demonstrate 333 on a swatch stick for you. just so you can see the consistency of the polygels in this kit, because they are all the same. This polygel is not sticky at all, and you're going to see that when you watch me demo this for you, because you can see just how little slip solution I actually need to manipulate and move around this polygel. I don't need much slip, really. It's just very easy to work, very easy to stretch and move. No problems at all, no stickiness. And in the past, Makartt has had a few polygels that were a little bit more sticky than normal. And I think with this kit, they really improved on that, because the polygel consistency is excellent. I love it. Just look at that color too. It's absolutely gorgeous. Very easy to work, not sticky and not stringy. I'm very impressed. And now I will go ahead and cure this for 1 minute. Just look at how smooth that polygel looks. Now it's time to top coat, and Makartt's top coat, like I told you before, it is very shiny and the shine lasts for a long time. You will be impressed by it. And now I'm going to cure this for 1 minute. Here are all the polygels together, and I think viewing it this way gives you a more true representation of what the colors really look like. Here they are in a matte top coat, and I think by looking at them in a matte top coat, you can really see truly what the colors really look like right here. And I know they like to call this their nude collection, but you know what? I think it looks like nude skin tones. There is 6 different skin tones in this collection. I really like this collection. I think they did a good job with the colors. I think it would be a great collection for everyone out there. So if you don't have this collection, I really do recommend it. It's a beautiful collection. Be sure and be on the lookout for my video coming up of me using number 336, making some toenails for myself out of dual forms. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much, Makartt, for allowing me to show this kit to others and demonstrate it. And thank you to the rest of you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.